My name is Ashley and I'm part of the customer success team here at Phonic. Welcome to Survey Building 101. In this tutorial series, I'll be your guide to building surveys in Phonic so that you can build the best surveys with confidence. Each video is 5 minutes or less and will cover a certain set of features within the survey builder. We will also be linking our knowledge base below so you have additional resources to refer back to. Let's dive into it and happy learning. When you log into Phonic, you will first be shown the onboarding screen. You can also click on the Home tab to access a summary of the different assets within your account, a link to our knowledge base, and some Phonic updates. Since this is Survey Building 101, we are going to head over to the Surveys page. Here you will see all of your published surveys. If you click on the 3 dots in the top left corner of any survey tile, you can access some features, including editing the survey, duplicating the survey, marking the survey as complete, team sharing, and survey deletion. In the top left corner of the surveys page, you can toggle over to your survey drafts. Here you will see the surveys that have not yet been published. You can also see your surveys in list view, and if the survey is published, then you will have quick access to the survey link. To create a new survey, click on the green Add Survey tile. Here you will see a few options. You can create a survey from scratch, continue from a draft, upload a survey from a CSV, or choose from our template library below. When you start a survey from scratch, you'll be prompted to add a name for the survey. When the survey is created, the survey builder will open. In the survey builder, you can add questions, change the survey's appearance, and alter the survey settings. These are all topics that we will cover in this tutorial series. To add a question to your survey, click on the Add New button. Choose your question type of interest and add your question text and options. If you want to add another question, click on the plus button. To duplicate a question, click on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner. Use this same 3-dot dropdown to delete questions. In the bottom left corner, you can also access question settings, survey logic, media uploads, and question translations. These are all things that we will cover within our tutorial series. And that concludes our introductory video. For the remainder of this tutorial series, we'll be discussing question types, question settings, survey settings, and how to change the way your survey looks. Thanks for joining today, and we'll see you next time.